Welcome to Eagle Creek Villas. Today I'll be taking you through this double-story unit situated in the second phase of the Rest Nature Estate. Located a short distance from one of our dams and bird hides. This lovely spacious 3-bedroom home offers you modern finishes, low-maintenance private garden, double garage and even a view. This home is perfect for the first-time buyer and a great investment as it has a long-term lease in place. The open-plan living area flows onto the covered patio and garden. The stylish kitchen is fitted with timeless colors, freestanding 5-plate gas hob and electric oven. On the ground floor, we have 2 well-sized bedrooms with a bathroom to share. Built-in cupboards in both the rooms. The main bedroom upstairs has its own balcony with amazing views. This bedroom is large enough to fit a queen-size bed and bedside tables. The built-in cupboards to the side of the room is designed to create even more space, leading to the full ensuite bathroom. This lovely house, soon to call home, is walking distance from Kiro School. For more information, be sure to give us a call.